I mean, if you don't buy this house, you're crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're here in Hollywood Hills, and honestly, I love this house so much that if I had the money in cash, I would buy it today. It's a really good house. It has super good flow. It's the right size. It's not like overly huge, and it's just beautiful. So it's a 4-bedroom, 5-bath. It's 4,000 square feet. Let's go take a look. Come on. So this kitchen is such a great kitchen. Now, we've seen a lot of really dope kitchens before, and obviously we always have this Miele espresso machines. There's 2 ovens, 2 dishwashers, it's really 4 freezers because it's, 2 drawers, I guess, but it's essentially, and 2 refrigerators. So this is gonna be a nice place to throw a party. You're gonna be able to make tons of food. But this house is so tight and good. Look at this, they even use this little tiny space to make like a little cabinet. I mean, they really used the house is 4,000 square feet, but it feels bigger than that because the layout is so good and the flow is just amazing. We have a nice fireplace. And there's 2 front doors. But most of all, this house is super cool because of the view. That's a good view. And let's go. I want to show you guys outside why this view is so special. So in Hollywood Hills, you normally only get downtown views or you get Century City views, but this house, it has such a wide view that you actually get both. And that's really rare. This house is not only aesthetically so beautiful, but it has one of the best views in Los Angeles. Let's go take a look from here. In which this is a master. And if you are laying down in this bed, it's just, you're gonna have views like, it's almost like panoramic view. It's so beautiful. It's a really nice feeling. Like when you come into this house, it just feels good and it just feels right. And here is a full closet. And again, they just use every little space. I love that.
Very full, going tight.
Very. So I'm gonna tell you why you need to buy this house. Because this house is not only aesthetically beautiful, not only is it a 4,000 square foot house, but it feels larger because the flow is so amazing. Not only is the view freaking cool, but the master bath, it is the coolest master bath that I've seen. So here we go, right? Looks like a totally normal bathroom. And oh, what's that? Wait a minute. Wait, what's that? So this is a shower, by the way. Look at how cool is this? So you can be showering here, looking at your beautiful views. And, and if you want just some light to come in, but you don't want like totally like, you can, you know, put one or the other. You don't have to shut both off, you know. Maybe you want to take a private bath, but you still want the sunlight to come in. Come on, guys. That's a pretty cool bathroom, no? Wouldn't you agree?
So cool.
Yeah, I love this house so much. I think it's a really great value for the price. I haven't seen a home like this. The architect and the developer did a really good job. So we're gonna go down to the second floor where all the bedrooms are, the rest of the bedrooms. All right, let's go this way. This is our first bedroom, and it's so cute. Every room has views, great closet space. It's all built in. It's just, they did a good job. What do you think, Jason? I don't know why, but I'm so excited. Oh, that's a cute teddy bear. Okay, so if you close escrow in 30 days, we will throw in the teddy bear for free, okay?
Oh, okay.
So that's a good deal. Restroom. Great shower. It's a nice house. It really is. And I just want you to show you the flow from all the bedrooms, and it comes out into this beautiful space. You have this beautiful pool, outdoor area. I mean, come on, dude. This is like a no-brainer. This house is gonna sell like this.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. I mean, if you don't buy this house, you're crazy, you know? Like, it's so great. I just love it. Like, you're gonna be able to come here, read a book.
I love that art. I don't know what that
Yeah, it's moss. So while you're chilling here, you have amazing views. You can throw a barbecue here, have all your friends over. I mean, can't you imagine throwing a party here?
That would be awesome.
Yeah.
I would love it.
Okay, so Jason's gonna buy the house, and then he's gonna throw a party, and he's gonna invite all of
You should
us.
buy the house.
Me, okay. I'm trying to sell the house. All right, so that was the first guest room or bedroom. Here's the next one. Currently, it's being used as an office, but it's obviously staged, so you can totally make it into a bedroom. This shower is a really nice shower for the house, for a guest room. All right, let's go. There's good music playing. So we're gonna dance and look at the house. Closets. Ah, it smells so good. It smells like wood, like new wood. More closets.
Oh, it's bright.
Mm-hmm. I like that, you know, I feel like you need light. All right, we're gonna keep dancing. And so upstairs you have the living room, but down here you have like a den, and it's like almost like a separate house. And right here is, this guest room is probably one of the largest. I mean, I don't know. It's such a, I've toured this house before, and I'm still like mesmerized by it. I love it. And I like it that it's not so big, because some of those 10,000 square foot homes, like, I mean, they are so stunning and they're so beautiful, but this is actually a house that you can buy and live in. Restroom. This is the nicest guest restroom, I think.
It is.
All right, guys, thank you so much for going on a tour with us. So this is 2020 and it's time for you to buy a new house. This home is the best home. It's the best value in Hollywood Hills. It's just so aesthetically beautiful. It has great views. It doesn't feel like a gigantic house. It's actually a house that you can buy, live in, and it's gonna feel like a home. And they really used every inch to really maximize the space. So even though it's only 4,000 square feet, it feels a lot bigger. And again, the views, you have Century City, you have downtown, you can see Beverly Center, Pacific Design Center. I mean, if you just look down at Chateau Marmont, it's just great. You can see the Addition from here, which is the new hotel. Have you been to the new Addition yet?
No.
It's a really beautiful new hotel in West Hollywood. They have a restaurant, a lobby bar, they have a rooftop bar, and then if you go around to the building on the Doheny side, there is a nightclub. And that nightclub, it's a small nightclub, but every single celebrity in Hollywood is like hanging out there. So you guys should definitely check it out. And that was a non-paid advertisement. And so anyways, we're looking for a buyer for this home. If you would like to take a tour, please contact me, caroline.choi at sotheby'shomes.com. And let's schedule a tour. And thank you so much. And let's have a fantastic 2020. Thank you.